Bitcoin-friendly El Salvador poised to become financial center of the Americas, says VanEck strategy advisor. Incoming investment capital and immigration will lead to a major economic shift that will turn El Salvador into a financial center, argued Gabor Gurbacs, strategy advisor of investment management giant VanEck. Gurbacs tweeted that, "I say often to portfolio managers and asset allocators that El Salvador has the potential to become the Singapore of the Americas. I expect continued increase in immigration to capital investment and an overall growth in El Salvador." In the 1980s, Singapore recovered strongly from the 1985-86 recession, in part thanks to the foreign direct investment FDI-led economic expansion and the Association of Southeast Asian Nations ASEAN. And over the past years, it emerged as a major crypto/blockchain/Web3 hub. Singapore has also been named the preferred destination for crypto millionaires seeking secure and tax-friendly havens to protect their digital assets. Even though Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao opined that the country's approach to digital assets has become more conservative, particularly after the collapse of the FTX exchange, companies continue expanding and seeking business there. For example, in early October, Coinbase secured a full major payment institution license under Singapore's Payment Services Act. El Salvador rising. Gurbacs' tweet was a reply to a comment posted by Bitcoiner Max Kaiser, calling for people to move to El Salvador. Move to El Salvador, the new land of the free. No fentanyl crisis, no shootings, no lootings, lowest crime rate in Americas, USD and BTC legal tender, great coffee, great weather, great beaches, 3 pupusas for $1. Max and Stacy live here. GDP is https://t.co/12ezeroi Pick Twitter. com/edipcosrunner Max Kaiser at Max Kaiser October 28, 2023 Kaiser called the Central American country the new land of the free, taking a jab at the USA. Kaiser lives in El Salvador, advises its president Nayib Bukele, and serves as the executive chairman of the Bitcoin mining operation startup Volcano Energy, which launched in June following a $1 billion investment. Volcano Energy receives the first $250 million of a $1 billion commitment that kickstarts 241 MWs of hash Bitcoin mining in El Salvador. We got the power https://t.co/jwowsxugq00. Pick Twitter. com/db3pzvfofferk. Max Kaiser at Max Kaiser June 7, 2023 How are the startup and Kaiser's connection to the president relevant? In September 2021, El Salvador famously made Bitcoin legal tender, and it launched a custodial wallet called Chivo Wallet, both of which have since been heavily criticized. Nonetheless, El Salvador pushed on with its Bitcoin plans, including creating a Bitcoin city and using volcanic resources to power the above-mentioned Volcano Energy. Earlier this month, El Salvador announced the launch of Lava Pool, the country's first Bitcoin mining pool powered entirely by renewable geothermal energy. It was a combined effort of Volcano Energy and tech giant Luxor Technology. Meanwhile, Bukele formally filed for re-election in next year's polls, a move critics say is against the country's constitution. Notably, as all of that was happening, El Salvador's sovereign bonds yielded a 70% return by August. Also, in September, the Ministry of Education started a pilot program to teach 150 public school teachers about Bitcoin. These teachers then returned to their schools across the country to transfer the knowledge to their students. VanEck files amended application for Bitcoin ETF with SEC. El Salvador's vice president attributes country's economic rebirth to Bitcoin adoption. Billionaire Tim Draper says El Salvador will become one of the richest countries on earth for this one reason. Singapore tops list of crypto-friendly investment migration destinations. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter. A quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up in SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img